Hello, this is Gilberto Guerrero, and this is week 6 of Practicums. And this week we met with Pastor James Lee, and he basically, I guess the title of the session or the class meeting was called the Indirect Ministry. So basically, he just talked to us about how, Gateway, how the men's ministry tries to reach these men in an indirect manner, and basically we talked about that, how the men's summit, how you really don't ever hear other churches, I guess, really having like huge events like that where they just have a lot of fun stuff to where men can potentially bring their sons, or just bring themselves just to come and have fun. So he basically talked to us about that, and then he said we were going on a field trip. So basically, just gave us like the essence of surprise, and just was saying that we were gonna go on this trip, but he had to talk to us first. So he finished talking to us, and he wasn't lying. He did take us on a field trip, and we went with Todd, and we actually went to the escape room at Grapevine Mills. And basically, if you're not sure what that is, basically you get put. The one we did was Prison Break, so we were put inside a prison. Looked just like one, had like a little toilet and a little bed and jail cell, type of looking thing. And so basically we were split into two groups. It was 4 of us in one cell and then the other 4 in another, but we could hear each other, we could talk to each other, and basically we had to find our way out. So we had to work as a team and look for things within our jail cell to try and escape and get out. And basically, we all just worked as a team, we communicated, and we actually did manage to escape. You have 1 hour to escape, and we actually escaped with about 2 minutes left. So it took us about 58 minutes, and basically like every 10 minutes or 5 minutes they give you a clue on a TV that's inside the cell. They give you a clue, and basically you use those clues to try to escape, which I thought was awesome. Like I'd never done anything like that before. It was definitely a different experience, just being with 4 dudes inside a small cell trying to figure out how to get out. It was definitely very fun and exciting. And we managed to escape the cell, and then we got stuck in another room, and then we were trying to escape that room, and then got trapped in another room. And basically it was just working together to try and get out of there, which was awesome. I really enjoyed the teamwork, and it reminded me a lot of the Savage race that I did about a year ago. It's kind of like a Spartan race, like a mud run with a bunch of obstacles. But anyways, so they basically did that with us, and then after, on the ride back, they just spoke to us on how what was our experience like. Did we enjoy it? What did we learn from it? And so on. So my response was that the teamwork, I really enjoyed the teamwork, that we all worked together, we communicated, and managed to escape. And so next week is the Gateway Conference, and I'll be going to that, and I'm sorry that I forgot to register for it. That was completely my fault, but I was able to get registered, and I'm excited to be able to go. I'll also be visiting Todd's table, one of his table talks, I believe. Thank you. Have a blessed week.